It's late at night. The house is quiet. Then suddenly, you hear it. A scratching sound coming from somewhere in the kitchen. You freeze. Because deep down, you already know what it is. Mice. And once they move in, getting rid of them can feel almost impossible. But what if some of the things sitting in your kitchen right now could help change that? Stay with me, because today's methods might surprise you. Maybe you've opened a cabinet and found food packages torn apart. Maybe you've discovered tiny droppings hidden behind appliances. Or maybe you've heard those unsettling sounds in the walls while trying to sleep. It's frustrating, it's stressful, and it can leave you wondering if the problem will ever end. Most people try everything. Traps, poison, sprays, store-bought repellents. Yet somehow the mice always seem to return. So today, we're looking at 3 inexpensive methods that many homeowners have experimented with over the years. The first method starts with a common mosquito coil. It's inexpensive, easy to find, and often already available in many households. Break the coil into small pieces and crush it into a fine powder. Next, take any type of dried beans. Crush them until they become a fine powder. Then, combine the ingredients together. Many people believe this combination becomes more attractive to pests when mixed correctly. Now add a spoonful of sugar. Mix everything thoroughly. The idea is to create a mixture that attracts pests while disguising stronger odors.
Cut a tomato in half. Then place the prepared mixture on top. Position the halves in areas where mouse activity is common. The second method uses ingredients many people already have at home: flour, sugar, and white cement. Everything is mixed together thoroughly before being placed in small containers. The third method focuses on repelling rather than attracting. Mix dish soap with water. Then add a few drops of peppermint or lemon essential oil. The strong scent may help discourage mice from visiting treated areas. Spray around corners, cabinet gaps, behind appliances, and other areas where mouse activity is suspected. This approach is often used as a temporary deterrent. No matter which method you try, the most important step is keeping your home clean. Store food properly, remove clutter, seal entry points, and eliminate standing water whenever possible. Because the less attractive your home becomes to mice, the less likely they are to stay. Have you ever dealt with mice in your home? Which method would you try first? Leave a comment below and tell us where you're watching from. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Easy Genius DIY, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.